Hello everyone, my name is Android Mazur and I welcome you to my workshop. I like to show you a short tutorial about how to approach to repousse at all. After the workshops, I've noticed some of you have a problem with how to properly hold a chisel hammer. They are quite unusual because they have a pistol grip, so we don't hold them like this, but like that. We put the grip into hollow of our hands and we clench our finger. And we work only with the wrist. The sheer weight of hammer should be enough for repousse work in non-ferrous metal, in precious metal. In steel, you need a little more strength, but we will get to that one day. Thank you very much for listening, have a nice day, and we keep in touch.